My off-road go-kart has these studded tyres, which are way too grippy. Here's how to change the tyre for this very unconventional rim. This thing's called a split hub, because the rim splits into two pieces. It does split into two pieces, right? So as it turns out, the manufacturer thought it would be a fantastic idea to weld the two halves together. So we're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. Here I'm just cleaning any dust off the bead so that it adheres properly and holds air.
Nice.
All done and ready to drive.
Nice.